Welcome to 360-degree machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Pistorius MN-302 double miter saw. The 02 designation basically means that the back of the saw does not pivot. We'll walk around back real fast. Normally, you've got a pivot arm on both sides. These rise and lower basically on lineal slides. That allows a greater height capacity. And this is a 302, so that means it has 14-inch blades. The saw is really hard to find. You do get an 8-foot outfeed, as you can see. And you also get an 8-foot infeed that is fully scaled. It's got a really nice, accurate fence. Allows for micro adjusting on there as well. Seven 3/4-inch height capacity. We'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can hear, it's a really quiet running machine. You also do get 3 additional blades and the wrench. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.